Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine hunting video. Okay, rapid responder, the Volkswagen Tune in white color, the original color, 56 Ford truck, BMW motorbike, Porsche 914 Safari. Robo Race, the K&N Integra, a white Batmobile, Datsun, the Barbie car, Ford GT Racing, another Integra. This Barracuda is very nice in red. Magnus Walker. Then we have the Surf. This is old news 2 years ago. So is this Jurassic World, a Dune buggy, Disney Steamboat, a Beetle, a recolor of the Tune Volkswagen Golf, Ford Focus, a blue Ford Sierra, another Barbie car, the Lucid Air, Batmobile Copter, and the rest is fantasy casting. Now, what I want to buy is the Crash Ford Explorer from Jurassic World, but I don't think they have. So maybe I will buy this and try to crash it myself. What do you think? Buy first. Number 31. So this is what I have bought, and I have to crush it. One day when I'm free, I will do it. I will do a video and show you how I crush it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.